time is it? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey girl, hey. Hey. You say I'm different. Danny, this is the best birthday party.
Yes.
Danny's recording us. Danny's recording.
Just crack it up. I've been sitting here thinking about August 6th, 2020. That was Thursday. That was my birthday. And I've been thinking about how blessed I am to have you in my life. If you see this video, if you watch this video, know that I feel blessed to have you in my life. It was amazing to me the number of people that wished me happy birthday, gave me some words of inspiration, motivated me to just continue to do what I do and be who I am. I thank those of you that wish me happy birthday on Facebook. I thank you for your texts. I thank you for your calls, your words of inspiration. I especially want to say thank you to the sisters with class who just bombarded me with so much love on my birthday. I am grateful, as I said the morning of my birthday. I'm really grateful. I'm thankful for my hard-headed children who I told I did not need gifts on my birthday, but they sent them anyway. I'm thankful for my family and my friends who showed up for the Zoom party, and we had so much fun, and then we had an after party. Because when the party ended, there were people that didn't want it to end. So we spent time together telling stories, and I am just blessed, and I feel happy, and I'm great, and I'm joyful that God's mercies are new every morning. I look forward to spending the next year with you, doing those things that we normally do, and uplifting God as we do it. Thank you very much for whatever role you played in making sure that I had a wonderful birthday. Thank you so much.